Welcome to our guide on creating a successful marketing strategy for your cleaning business. Let's dive into 10 key steps that will help you attract clients and grow your business effectively. 1. Identify your target audience. Understanding your ideal customers is the foundation of your marketing strategy. Are you targeting busy families, professionals, or businesses in need of commercial cleaning? Tailor your messaging to address their specific needs, like saving time for families or handling large-scale projects for commercial clients. 2. Build a professional website. A professional, user-friendly website is essential. Include clear service descriptions, customer testimonials, and an easy way to request quotes or book appointments. Optimize your website for local search terms like cleaning services near me to boost your visibility online. 3. Leverage social media platforms. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are great for showcasing your work and connecting with potential clients. Share before and after photos, client testimonials, and cleaning tips. Consistent posting and engaging with followers build credibility and trust. 4. Invest in local SEO. Local SEO ensures your business shows up in search results for your area. Claim your Google My Business listing, include accurate contact information, and encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews. These small steps can make a big difference in attracting local customers. 5. Use paid advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads help you reach specific demographics quickly. Set a budget and test different ad formats, like search or video ads, to see what works best for your business. Monitor performance regularly to maximize ROI. 6. Develop a content marketing plan. Create valuable content, like blog posts or cleaning tips, to establish your expertise. Share these on your website and social media to engage potential clients and boost your SEO. For example, a blog titled Top Cleaning Hacks for Busy Professionals can attract the right audience. 7. Implement email marketing campaigns. Stay connected with clients through email. Send newsletters, promotions, or helpful cleaning checklists. Segment your email list to deliver personalized messages that resonate with different client types, like residential or commercial. 8. Utilize referral programs. Encourage happy clients to refer your services with incentives like discounts or free add-ons. Word of mouth is powerful, and a well-structured referral program can help you build a loyal client base. 9. Network with local businesses. Partner with real estate agencies, property managers, or event planners who may need cleaning services. Networking can open doors to consistent referrals and long-term partnerships. 10th, track and analyze your marketing efforts. Monitor your website traffic, ad performance, and social media engagement using tools like Google Analytics. This helps you identify what's working and where to improve, ensuring your strategy stays effective over time. Final thoughts. With these strategies, you can attract high-paying clients and grow your cleaning business. Whether you're focusing on local SEO, social media, or networking, consistency and optimization are key. Need personalized advice? Reach out to us, and let's help you take your business to the next level. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this guide. See you next time.